मैं लड़की पटाने के लिए जिम में नहीं आता ब्रो। मैं जिम में इसलिए आता हूं ताकि मरते वक्त मैं अफसोस ना करूं कि मेरी बॉडी जो शेप डिजर्व करती थी मैं साला उसे दे नहीं पाया।
यू बॉडी बनाना कोई आसान काम थोड़ी है। अच्छो अच्छो की फट जा जिम में।
न्यू तो चॉकलेटी कलर है यार तेरे का पर आगे पीछे।
No smoking, no drinking, just me, Jim, and God, man. We're focused. And you know what? That's all that matters right now.
People who train every day don't want to train every day. They are not motivated to train every day. They are something else. Motivation is the wrong word. They are not motivated. They are disciplined.
Andrew,
Disciplined.
Body of an athlete, mind of a stoic, spirit of a warrior. That's how you win in life.
You're gonna lose a lot of friends when you get serious about your life goals. That's why a Bugatti has 2 seats and a bus has 30.
Fuck the world, we just gon' keep getting rich, you know. Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Still be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's in the night. He got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am here.
It's just me alone in the gym, me alone in the mirror, me alone in my head. No one did it for me. I worked for it, and I'm never going to let someone else take that from me.
You're gonna lose a lot of friends when you get serious about your life goals. That's why a Bugatti has 2 seats and a bus has 30.
Shine to people, you know, to people you don't. We used to be close, but people can go from people you know to people you don't.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
अगर तुम लड़कियों को प्यार साबित करने के लिए ताजमहल भी बना दे और तुम्हारा मूड मुंह फुलाने का हो तो कहोगी कि तुमने क्या किया, ये तो मजदूरों ने बनाया।
मैं जा रही हूँ।
मेरे दिल से तो कब से जा चुकी हो।
I hate summer. I hate her crooked teeth. I hate her 1960s haircut. I hate her knobby knees.
सबर कर मेरी जान, किस्सा नहीं कहानी होगी अपनी।